Hello everyone. Today we will see how to download Raspberry Pi software in Raspberry Pi. First of all, we have to download the Raspberry Pi Imager. Basically, Raspberry Pi Imager is a software, or you can say a platform which will install all the required files in Raspberry Pi micro SD, or you can say SD card. So we jump to the Raspberry Pi official website. Here you can see the download option is available for Windows, Linux, etc. Depend upon your operating system of your laptop, of your PC, you can download the required software. Okay, so you can see the details are available. So now it's downloading the software or imager. So basically, when we have to download the operating system on Raspberry Pi, first of all, we have to download all the required file in a memory card. The memory card, minimum memory card is required is the 32 GB. Okay, now the download is completed. I am just installing the software. You can see the simple steps are there. We have to just proceed with next. Now the software is starting the down copying the file, then it is finished. When you will press finish, automatically the software will open, or you can just search on your my files or Windows, so it will get you the file image. You can see the Raspberry Pi software is available now. Here we have the three options. First, the select the Pi board. So whatever the Pi board you are using now, we have to select appropriately. And next, operating system, which operating system we want to use, 32-bit, 64-bit, or we have to erase the operating system of memory card, etc. Whatever we have to do, we have to perform. As next is our source storage. Okay, when we have to connect the you can say memory card. So when we insert the memory card, automatically that memory card will show on this. So we can just easily update load the data. You can see I am just connected. I have connected the memory card on my laptop, and now I am just using the settings whatever is required, and I am just proceeding to start the apply the OS to the Raspberry Pi. Now it will ask the like whether you want to format yes or no. So we have to press yes, so it will completely format and upload all the files. Now it is completed. Now I am just connecting my memory card to Raspberry Pi and connecting it with the display. So you can see I am connecting the USB mini port to display the data. HDMI, basically it is a HDMI, smallest version of HDMI, and the required USBs like keyboard, mouse, okay, to operate the operating system. So and as well as we have to connect the power. Basically we can use the 5 volt 2 ampere adapter to power up the Raspberry Pi. So and it support the C type cable. So you can see I am just connecting the C type cable. Okay, now this operating system is ready to turn on, and we can see that display. Here is the first display of Raspberry Pi. You can see now it will take some time to process the initial setup of files, means just installing, copying the files, okay, extraction of files, etc. It will take few seconds to install, and the environment. You can see now it is connected, and now it is asking some questions like the country. You can see the country, language, and time. You can say time scope. So in India it is a 4 ratio 30. So we can select the required things, and we can just press next. Okay, now it is configuring the depend upon our details. And next thing, it will ask the username and password. Basically, username is for the Raspberry Pi. If we are connecting it via LAN or via Wi-Fi or a common hotspot, then we need to access the Raspberry Pi. If you are creating the IoT applications, then we need to write Raspberry Pi username and password we need to remember. So whatever the username and password you are writing, just keep in mind that it is like remember to you. Okay. So I have selected. So for Raspberry Pi, we can normally select the username as Raspberry Pi, and password should be small like Raspberry 12345 etc. Okay. Now you can see this is the first image, first screen. Okay. On top you can see the a bar of is available where you can select the required operation. So I am just clicking on the Wi-Fi, and now I am just connecting my Wi-Fi with the password. Okay. So now you can see the my Raspberry Pi is ready to use. Okay. So thank you everyone. If you have any kind of query, let me know. Now I have issued the access denied folder error. Okay. When I was trying to format my SD card with the help of this Raspberry Pi imager, you can see I have selected, then I have pressed next. It asks me, so I have just pressed the yes. Automatically it will format. Okay. You can see I am just pressing yes here. Now it will start formatting first Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Pi SD card. So it give me the error that the access is denied. Means what? The formatter FAT32 is not on access folder. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to jump to the control folder access, and we need to add that particular software which is blocked. So you can see I am just clicking on the add or allow the apps. So here I have just added the Raspberry Pi imager as well as FAT32 format. You can just click on the add button and recently blocked app. Now you can add this. Okay. So this was the error which I got, and I let to you know. Okay. So thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe.